Debnath Art Hub. Hello little friends, today we are drawing and painting a tasty birthday cake. Let's draw it. At first we will take a black marker pen like that. Now we will make the cake shape, which is rectangle, like that. Now we will make a wave for the cake cream. Always remember drawing and painting slowly, otherwise your drawing will be wrong. Follow step by step how I am drawing. If you follow these steps, then you are also able to draw like that. Now we are make the candle and this zigzag line for the colorful candle. There we are put the different color. Now we will use the dark and thick marker for bordering the cake. How it is? Wow, it is so beautiful. Now let's learn the colors name. This is our colors. Yellow color, orange color, dark pink color, sky blue color, brown color, green color. At first we will start by yellow color, which is the candle fire stick. The yellow color. Always remember drawing and painting slowly, otherwise your drawing will be wrong. Step by step follow how I am drawing. Now it is orange color. Wow, the candles look like so pretty. Yay! Now it is sky blue color. What a beautiful candy this is our. Now the brown color for chocolate cream. Yes, like that. Now we will use the orange color. Orange color for the cake base. Always remember drawing and painting slowly, otherwise your drawing may be wrong. And the dark pink color for the downside. Yes, like that. And the last, the green color, like that. Wow, this cake looks so pretty. Thank you kids. Bye bye.